Welcome to our in-depth comparison of microwave, OTG, and convection microwave ovens. Today, we'll explore the nuances of each, guiding you to the perfect choice for your culinary adventures. Let's kick off with the microwave. This kitchen staple is a time saver, excelling at rapid cooking, reheating, and defrosting. Using microwave radiation, it heats food by agitating water molecules within it. However, microwaves don't lend that golden brown crispiness to dishes. While perfect for quick meals, they're not your go-to for baking or achieving that perfectly crispy texture. Now, let's talk about the OTG, oven, toaster, grill. This versatile appliance boasts heating elements for baking, toasting, grilling, and roasting. It offers precise temperature control and versatility in cooking techniques. OTGs are baking champions, delivering delightful cakes, cookies, and bread. Their ability to crisp and brown dishes makes them a favorite for roasting and grilling. However, they might take longer than microwaves due to their traditional heating methods. Enter the convection microwave oven, a hybrid marvel merging microwave speed with convection oven capabilities. It combines microwaves for quick cooking with a fan and heating element for baking, roasting, and crisping. These ovens offer versatility at its peak. From quick meals with microwave efficiency to achieving that perfect crust or browning, they're a jack of all trades in the kitchen. In conclusion, selecting the ideal oven hinges on your cooking needs. If speed and convenience top your list, a microwave is your ally. For baking aficionados and culinary artisans, an OTG is a top contender. We hope this comprehensive comparison helps you choose the oven that suits you best. For more informative content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for knowledgeable videos. Happy cooking!